they have to sort the array from the minus to plus, or from plus to minus, or increasing and decreasing order. First, we'll start with increasing order. If in array A we have those values, we need to sort them to array B that will have 1, 2, 4, 5, and 10. That will be minimum to max. For that problem, we need two iterative structures, or two for. We need two for because we have I variable and j variable. I variable will start from 0 and j will start from I plus 1. On that place we have I, on that place we have j, and they both will go to lower than n, 2. If we have 2 for, the for of j will go for values I 0, j will go from 1 to n. From I 1, j will go to n. If n is 3, I equal 2, j will go from 3 to n, or that will be the stop of iterative structure, because n is equal to n. Now to sort the array, we'll use those two fors. The conditions will be if ai is higher than aj, we'll go with those instructions. We'll take a variable called temp, not to use the value of ai. ai will take the value of aj, and aj will take the value of ai. I will be here and j will be here. If I is higher than j, we need to change the places because we have in increasing orders, and the first condition is 5 is higher than 10. That is not true, it's false, and we have I 0 and j is 1. We'll continue. I is 0, lower than n, and j is 2, lower than n. 5 is higher than 1. That is true. Now temp equal ai, or temp equal 5. ai equal aj, or ai will take the value of 1. aj equal ai, or the temp, because on the temp we have the value of ai. That will be equal to 5. So we have changed the positions. We have 1 and 5 here. Others will remain the same. Our new array now is 1, 10, 5, 4, and 2. n equal 5. Now I is still 0, and j will go to 3. We don't have to test the 10 and 5 value because we know that those are higher than 1. We'll just go to test 4 and 2. So 1 is higher than 4. That's false. 1 is higher than 2. That's false. On that step, I plus plus. I now is 1 and j will start from 2. We don't have to test anymore the value 1 because we know that is the value minimal of array. We'll go to test 10. If 10 is higher than the others, we'll change the place of 10. Is 10 higher than 5? That is true. We'll change the position of 10. Temp will take the value of 10. ai will take the value of 5. aj will take the value of temp. That is 10. Our new array is 1 now doesn't change, and the places of 10 and 5 will change. We have 1, 5, 10, and the others will remain same. Now I is 1 and j is 2. We'll continue. I is 1 and j is 3 now. Is 5 higher than 4? That is true. We'll change the positions and the new array will be, we have to change only the places of 5 and 4. We have here 4, 10 will be the same, 5 and 2. I is 1, j is 4. Is 5 higher than 2? That's true. At the same way, we'll change the positions. Our new array we'll change the position of 4 and 2. We have 2 here, 4 here, and the others will remain the same. Now we are sure that 1 and 2 are the minimal values of array. On that step, I will go 2 and j will start from 3. Is 10 higher than 5? That's true. We'll change the positions. I is 2, j will go 4. Now we don't have any more 10, but we have 5. Is higher than 4? That is true. We'll change the positions. The new array will be final array. On the same type, we'll go from decreasing order, but the only change is the condition. The condition for decreasing order is if AI is lower than AG, and the other instruction will remain the same. We'll declare number and the temporary value. We'll take the dimension of array. We'll declare array. We'll take the elements of array by the user. As we said, we need 2 4. First 4 is for I, and the second 4 is for second number of array, or j equal a plus I. J is lower than n. The condition is if AI is higher than AJ, we'll say temp equal AI. AI will take the value of AJ, and AJ will take the value of temp, that is the value of AI. At least we have to print the new array. Array printf %d AI. At least return 0. We'll compile our code and see the result.